Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to set custom thumbnail on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to set custom thumbnail on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to set custom thumbnail on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to set custom thumbnail on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting a custom thumbnail on YouTube is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open a browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons in top. Click on logo at the top right corner. Click on YouTube Studio. Now in YouTube Studio on left side you are seeing content. Click on it. Now you are seeing all videos. Click on a video you want to set up a custom thumbnail. Now in thumbnail section, if you are willing to set a new custom thumbnail, click on upload. Select a thumbnail. After selecting, click on save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set custom thumbnail on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.